my name is Ezgi Merdin Uygur. Today I'll discuss AI job replacement theory with you based on some research and theories. Following that, I'll provide insights on calculating the risk to your own profession and tips on focusing on safer roles in an AI-driven future. First, let me introduce myself. I'm a lecturer in digital marketing at Brunel University of London, and I teach topics like robots and AI in marketing, digital marketing, database and CRM, and consumer behavior. My research is on robotic services, virtual experiences, human technology interaction, and I published in prestigious academic journals, and my research got funding from organizations like the British Academy. So, let's dive in. The Guardian recently reported that almost 8 million UK jobs could be lost to AI within the next few years. Entry-level, part-time, and admin roles are most at risk, particularly affecting women and younger workers. Globally, this trend isn't confined to one region. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT and embodied AIs, such as robotic assistants, logistics, healthcare sectors, are rapidly being adopted across industries, highlighting their disruptive potential to the job market. Does this mean we're heading towards a jobs apocalypse? Well, not necessarily. Public policy experts argue that government and businesses can shape this transformation to create opportunities instead of mass unemployment. What's important is how AI impacts tasks and jobs differently. Research by Ed Felten of Princeton and colleagues introduces a concept called AI occupational exposure, AIOE, in their article called Occupational Heterogeneity in Exposure to Gen AI. This measure evaluates how likely a profession's tasks are to be affected by AI. For example, highly exposed occupations include telemarketers, post-secondary teachers, and roles where routine cognitive tasks dominate. Mid-exposure roles like health educators, hotel desk clerks, and social service assistants combine tasks that AI might augment but not fully replace. At the low exposure end, physical and manual jobs, such as painters and wait staff, involve tasks AI and robots struggle to replicate due to their reliance on human dexterity and context. The progression from task augmentation to job replacement has broader implications. Telemarketers are highly exposed because their roles rely on routine communication and persuasion, areas where AI excels. On the other hand, fitness trainers, choreographers, score at the lower end of the spectrum because they rely on physical presence and creativity, making them less susceptible. Even in manufacturing, robots like Spot or warehouse robots of Amazon excel in repetitive tasks like inventory checks or item retrievals, but they still struggle with nuanced human-like adaptability. Understanding the spectrum is key. AI typically replaces tasks, not entire jobs. This aligns with the AI job replacement theory by Huang and Rust, 2018. They outline four intelligences: mechanical, analytical, intuitive, and empathetic. AI progresses predictably, and it started with mechanical and analytical tasks. But think of an automated customer service handling routine queries. From there, advancing to intuitive tasks like creative content creation and eventually empathetic tasks involving human connection at a deep level. Embodied AIs robots follow a similar trajectory, repeating mechanical tasks such as robotic arms in car assembly before they evolve to more interactive applications such as humanoid robots in retail stores. Now, for example, consider middle exposure roles: hotel desk clerks, social service assistants. These jobs involve a mix of analytical tasks and empathetic tasks, managing schedules or records, and addressing unique customer needs. AI and service robots like concierge robots, such as those in Japanese hotels, can enhance efficiency in such roles without fully replacing the human element, especially where human intelligence plays a critical part still. So, how do you future proof your career? Here are some practical strategies. One is upgrading your skills, focusing on developing your intuitive and empathetic abilities. For example, improving your ability to build trust and rapport with clients. This will give you an edge over AI and robotic systems, which are designed for customer interaction but still lacking deep emotional intelligence. 2. Embrace collaboration. Learn to work alongside AI tools. Designers who use Gen AI like Midjourney or DALL-E to prototype ideas are faster and a better example of this collaborative approach. Similarly, healthcare workers using surgical robots like the Da Vinci system, they can focus on patient care while robots assist in precision-oriented tasks. 3. Stay adaptive, monitor industry trends, and pivot when necessary. Businesses will increasingly integrate human AI collaboration, so flexibility will be a key asset. For example, factory workers supervising robotic production lines. They must adapt to roles that involve troubleshooting and overseeing the automated systems and robots. Businesses have a role to play too. They need to assess tasks rather than entire jobs when implementing AI and robots. For instance, a company might use AI to handle data entry, while human employees can focus on building customer relationships. Similarly, industries relying on robots, such as autonomous warehouse robots or drone delivery systems, they must train workers to manage and collaborate with these technologies. One of the most significant shifts we'll see is in the value placed on soft skills. As AI and robotics take over analytical tasks, intuitive and empathetic skills will become critical for employability. Workers in roles requiring a strong human connection, such as counselors or personal trainers, will need to double down on these strengths. Meanwhile, firms must segment their markets to balance AI-driven efficiency with the human touch. As we look ahead, we're entering a phase where the economy may shift from manufacturing and service-based jobs to new opportunities in human-machine integration and collaboration. So the hope lies in creative solutions, harnessing, making use of AI efficiency and humanity's unique capabilities. It's a challenge, but also an opportunity. Thank you for listening. The AI job replacement theory, including the rise of both Gen AI and embodied AI, is a wake-up call for all of us. Whether you're a white-collar worker, a student, a professor, or a business leader. What's your take on this evolving landscape?